How to deposit eGLD on Eland Network. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can deposit eGLD on Eland Network. Well, to deposit eGLD on the Eland Network, you need to send your eGLD tokens to your Eland wallet address from a compatible exchange or another wallet. So what you can do is on your Eland Network, you can tap on receive, and on receive now you can go ahead and choose here eGLD, and once you choose it, you'll have to first back up your secret phrase, and once you do so, you'll be able to get the wallet address for your ELROND for this wallet, your exporter wallet or your Eland Network wallet. Then once you have the address, the receiving address, you can head into another crypto app, and there you can go ahead and purchase it and then send it through the compatible wallet. Now you can use wallets like Native Meyer Wallet, Ledger Live, or other supported wallets that allow interaction with the ELROND blockchain. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.